Good morning and welcome to the Ellon Academy Virtual Assembly on Friday the 5th of February 2021. So for clarity, I'm going to give you some dates for your diaries for the February half term. So next Friday, a week today, we are on a half term holiday. And that holiday continues and includes Monday the 15th of February as well. Now pupils, they continue to be on holiday during the two staff in-service days on Tuesday the 16th of February and Wednesday the 17th of February. So there'll be nobody in school because staff will be working from home in the main, and pupils remain on holiday during those in-service days. So on Thursday the 18th of February, remote learning from home will resume and the provision in school for key workers and vulnerable children. So during the in-service days, there'll be no pupils in school at all to allow staff to get on with key tasks and very important planning for the return to school. So on that subject, a phased return to school is planned from the 22nd of February, and the government advice at the moment is that 5 to 8% of S4, 5 and 6 pupils who have to complete practical work essential for national qualifications will be in school on a rota basis. The S1, 2 and 3 pupils will continue with remote learning from home, and the provision in school for key workers and vulnerable children will continue during that time. So for those young people, those senior pupils in school completing practical work essential for national qualifications, a 2-metre distancing rule will apply, and obviously mandatory face coverings too. As per government advice from the First Minister last week, there will be an option for pupils and staff in school to receive 2 home testing kits per week. We expect these kits to be delivered to school next week, and it will be an option for young people and adults to pick up a testing kit if they so require. Now, the final decisions round about these arrangements will be published and announced on Tuesday the 16th of February. The schools across Scotland are still waiting for a practical guidance document to be released, and hopefully that will come soon. But Ellon Academy has already started our planning in the hope that we can anticipate some of the guidance in this document that will be released to the public to support schools in that return. So as soon as we are able to share our firm plans, we will go ahead and do that with all of our pupils, parents and our staff. Just some good news. Prior to Christmas, many young people expressed concern that there wasn't enough seating at social times around the school. Now, obviously, we are keeping young people when they were in school between August and December, keeping them in their designated zones for social times to help keep age groups and year groups together, but obviously that creates some seating concerns. So as a result of that, we have ordered a table and chairs like you see in the picture there. These tables and chairs can actually fold up and be wheeled away, so they're very flexible in terms of usage, so we can have seating out or seating put away very easily. Also, the colours there are not the colours that we've ordered. We've ordered colours to match the decor in the sunken social area. That's where we're starting. So the tops of the tables of a sort of a pale purpley lilac-y kind of colour, and the seats are going to be a darker blue. So at the moment we've ordered just one of these, and we've ordered also an oblong sized one, and the plan would be to, when these are delivered to the school, we'll set about measuring exactly how many we need of these round ones and of the oblong ones to maximise seating in the sunken social area. Now the seat you're looking at costs £1,000, so obviously this is a big investment for the school, but it's for our young people, and we feel that if this is what young people are telling us, then it's really important. So we're going to put the oblong ones in the sunken part of the social area, and in the upper part, up the 2 steps, nearer where the canteen servery is, we'll put the circular seating there, just for a bit of variation, and we feel that the oblong tables will get much more of them into the sunken part of that social area. The longer term plan is to look at the street and look at the canteen, and when we build our funds up again to be able to afford more of this type of seating, if we agree amongst pupils and staff that it's effective, we will order more for the canteen. It would be phase 2, and the street would be phase 3. So hopefully when pupils return to school, we'll be able to have a look at these and see what we think. So it would be remiss of me not to mention a significant thing that's happened this week, and that is the death of Captain Sir Tom Moore, an absolute inspiration in his life and in what he's given of himself to his country as he served in the forces, but also in the last year, how he's been able, with his absolute kindness and open-heartedness, been able to inspire a nation and raise millions of pounds to support NHS and in the pandemic that we're in. So it brings great sadness of his passing, but what an inspiration and a legacy he will leave. And I think we all would aspire to be a person like Captain Sir Tom Moore. May he rest in peace. So thank you again for listening to the virtual assembly. For some reason I'm not getting video this week, but the message, the consistent message stays the same. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.